Are you passionate about deepening your theological knowledge and helping others through biblical counseling? Look no further. Fulbright Theological Seminary, we equip believers with the wisdom and skills to transform lives through faith-based education. With the stewardship of servants of God dedicated to total transformation for students, led by President and Vice Chancellor Reverend Dr. Francis Kithuku, Vice Chancellor Pastor Jeffrey Froshi, and Dean of Curriculum Dr. Eunice Waithaka, you are sorted. We offer a variety of courses tailored to your spiritual and ministerial growth, including certificate in theology and counseling, associate degree in theology and biblical counseling, master's in theology and biblical counseling, and doctorate in theology and biblical counseling. We also provide specialized programs such as chaplaincy certification, discipleship training, and trauma-informed care, ensuring you are fully equipped for ministry and service. With course durations ranging from 3 months to 3 years, you can choose a program that fits your schedule. Plus, our tuition fee are budget-friendly, making theological education accessible to all. We are located at 8421 Mid Road, Southwest Lakewood, Washington, 98499, USA. Fulbright Theological Seminary is your gateway to a stronger faith, deep understanding, and impactful ministry. Registration is ongoing, so don't wait. Enroll today and take the next step in your spiritual journey. For more information, call the numbers on your screen now. Fulbright Theological Seminary, education for prosperity.